Hello guys, this is Anjan here. Welcome to my channel. Let's get into it. Welcome back guys. Today we will redeem SBI Rewards which can get when you do any card based transaction to a shop or anywhere. You can earn this by saving money also. Follow step by step carefully to redeem it. Just open a browser and search for SBI Internet Banking. On state banking, then in the next page click on login in the personal banking section. Now you can see the continue login bar. Click on it. Now enter your credential like ID, password, etc. Then click on login button. In the left hand corner look for SBI reward option and click on it. Here you can see the reward points. Now if you want to redeem your point, click on here. To redeem your point, click on I agree. Now wait for some time to load the page. Please forgive me for blurring part of the video. Then click on right hand corner where your profile logo is and click on profile. Here you can see your point earned and other. See it very carefully how much you earned. Now click on gift and voucher. Click on e-gift. Click on Amazon Pay gift card to redeem gift in Amazon Pay. Now enter your amount. Here you can enter any amount 10 to 10,000 rupees, but keep in mind that every 10 rupees equal to 40 point. So do check before how much point you have earned. Now click on tick box and tap continue button. Click on proceed to payment. Click on make payment. Now a OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Check it and type in the box. Click on continue. When order is completed, click on view receipt. Note down or copy the voucher pin you find in the receipt. Then Go to amazon.in or Amazon app in mobile and click on Amazon Pay. Now search for e-gift card and search for add e-gift card and click on it. Then paste the code you copied earlier. Select add to your balance and you are done. So this is how you can redeem your SBI reward into your Amazon Pay. You can redeem reward into other form like Flipkart e-gift card or any other form of e-gift card. Just try it. It is absolutely free. SBI is giving away a lot of money to this way, and so many people doesn't know about it. Thanks for watching, guys.